Hello friends, I am Anu Agarwal, working as an assistant professor in Biyani International Institute of Engineering and Technology. Welcome to all behalf on gurukpu.com. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on security attacks. So first I am telling about this, what is security attacks and how security attacks play important role and affect our life on communication system. So what is security attacks? Security attacks is referred to as a process whereby a person by compromise installing malicious software on our computer system without our knowledge, and these malicious software affect our vital files and delete our files in our computer system. So basically security attacks are two types, passive attacks and active attacks. So how can we recognize which type of attack occur in our message system? So passive attacks are those attacks they cannot detect easily, they cannot detect and modify our data. Passive attacks, sender and receiver is not aware from the third party. Passive attacks are basically two types, release of message content and traffic analysis. In this type of attack, opponent tried to understand and read the message content which is sent by sender to receiver. Like in this example, Lokesh sent the confidential information to Rekha but using internet, but Shyam read all the message using these type of attack which is sent by sender to receiver. And another passive attack is traffic analysis. In this type of passive attack, opponent tried to capture all the identity and location of communicating host and frequency and pattern of the message. Like in this, sender sent to the information using internet to the receiver, but opponent Shyam observe the pattern of message and affect the message which is sent by sender to receiver. So passive attacks are these two types. And the another type of attack is active attack. Active attack are those type of attack they can modify the data, and sender and receiver are aware of those type attack and they can detect easily. Active attack are also four types, masquerade. In this type of attack, opponent tried to himself as a original sender. Like this, Lokesh sent confidential information to Rekha, but Shyam captured this message by some attack and appear and try to pretend himself like Lokesh. So Rekha think this message is sent by Lokesh, but it is actually sent by Shyam. And the another type of attack is replay attack. In this type of attack, opponent capture all the data once and try to retransmission of data and produce unauthorized effect. Like Lokesh send data to the Rekha, but Shyam capture message from Lokesh and again and replay the message from Rekha. And the third type of active attack is modification. In this type of attack, opponent captured all the data sequence from the sender and modify the message and send to the receiver. So receiver receive modified data which is really actually not sent by the Lokesh or sender. And the last active type of active attacks is denial of service. In this type of attack, opponent disturb all the services which is provided by the server, so sender does not communicate effectively to the receiver. So these all are the security attacks which affect our message system using malware programs installing on our computers. Thank you to all for listening my video. For more information, please log in gurukpu.com.